Hi, my name is Logan Amick, and I'm from Cocoa Beach, Florida. That's about a 21-hour drive from here, and my town is about 25 minutes from Nassau, which is kind of cool. My major is business administration, and my minor is in finance. Um, I play baseball here at Doane, and my position is middle infield. Um, the one thing I'd say I don't like about being here is the cold, because it's always like really cold, especially right now, obviously. And I'd much rather be hot than cold. So, and also I cannot drive in the snow. I tried last year, and it's just I just can't do it. I just can't do it. So hopefully the snow backs off, but I don't think it's going to. Um, so I have a sister. She's older than me. I think she's almost 24. She lives in Knoxville, Tennessee. She works up there too. Um, One of the reasons I came here is one of my buddies from my hometown actually came here before me. He was 2 years ahead of me, and he helped me connect with the coaches and really helped me honestly get here, which was huge. Um, in my free time, especially back home, I would say I fish a lot. I enjoy freshwater and saltwater fishing. Since I live about 5 minutes from the beach, it's pretty easy just to go fishing wherever, and there's always ponds in Florida and whatnot. So I obviously can't do much fishing here because I just don't have enough experience with the cold, and the lakes are always frozen over, so it's like not much you can really do. Um, I have a teacup chihuahua, and she's cool. She's kind of aggressive, unfortunately, but a lot of chihuahuas are like that for some reason. She's just like really snappy. Um, but yeah, that's it.